Joining us now, the civil rights attorney and legal affairs commentator, Areva Martin. Areva, the attorney Ben Crump says the independent autopsy shows that the cause and manner of death of Nolan Wells remains undetermined at this time. What do you make of those new details?
Well, not altogether surprised, Wolf, by the determination by this independent coroner who did this investigation of Nolan Wells's body. I'm sure not what the family expected. I'm sure they hoped, and so many in the community hoped for some definitive answers. But unfortunately, at this point, we don't have those answers. I think what is comforting, though, to me as a civil rights attorney, and I think so many in the community, is the level of attention that's being brought to this case, the media spotlight, the fact that according to reports, 60 people have been interviewed, and there's been a commitment from the district attorney in this community to put this case before a grand jury. There's so many unanswered questions, so many concerns about the fairness of process that would happen in Mississippi, particularly when you have an African-American young man like Nolan Wells, who died by all accounts, mysterious circumstances. But there is some comfort in knowing that it won't be that district attorney or that law enforcement agency, but there will be a investigation and presentation to a grand jury.
And Ben Crump also says that the preliminary independent autopsy ruled out there were fractures or deep tissue injuries. What do you make of that?
Well, so many conspiracy theories, so many theories on the internet, Wolf, about what happened to this young man. All kinds of stories about him being in a fight, being in an altercation. Seemingly from these findings, no altercation that would suggest, resulted in any kind of fractures or broken bones. So again, so many unanswered questions. We know initially coming out of this state, what we heard from the county coroner was that there was no evidence of foul play. And that concerned a lot of folks in the community because there was, again, so many unanswered questions. Again, I hope that the investigation continues, as Ben Crump has said, as the law enforcement agencies in that community have said, and that we ultimately will get to some answers that will be satisfying for this family and for the entire community. Such a troubling case. Kid goes on a trip with friends and doesn't come back.
Areva Martin, as usual, thank you very much for your expertise. Appreciate it very much.